What's up, everybody? Today we're talking about the best and worst forms of magnesium. From muscle function and nerve health to blood sugar control and sleep regulation, magnesium is the real MVP. Different forms have wildly different absorption rates, meaning some are way more effective than others. Let's get started. Welcome to the Academy of Vitality and Health. Here, we focus on helping you live healthier, teach you about your health and body, feel amazing, and improve your lifestyle. Join us on the journey to vitality and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Discover a healthier, happier life together. We all know how important vitamins are, right? But minerals like magnesium are just as crucial for our health. It's involved in everything from energy production to muscle recovery, from mood regulation to blood sugar balance. That's why it's so important to pay attention to your diet and consider supplementation if you're not getting enough magnesium from food alone. Now you might be thinking, if magnesium is so important, why am I not getting enough of it? Well, modern diets often lack magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Plus, factors like stress, alcohol consumption, and certain medications can deplete magnesium levels even further. It's like having a fancy sports car with a flat tire, it's not going anywhere. Let's start with the worst offender, magnesium oxide. It has an abysmal absorption rate of only 4%. That means for every 100 milligrams you take, your body only absorbs a measly 4 milligrams. But trust me guys, don't waste your money on this one. Moving up the ladder, we encounter forms with gradually improving absorption rates. Magnesium sulfate, also known as Epsom salt, comes in at around 10% absorption. Next up is magnesium orotate, boasting a respectable 15% absorption rate. Then we have magnesium taurate, with 20% absorption, known for its heart-healthy properties. And finally, magnesium lactate, clocking in at 25% absorption, is gentle on the stomach, and another great option for cardiovascular support. Now we're getting to the good stuff. These next few forms are the top performers in the magnesium world. Magnesium citrate, with its 30% absorption rate, is a popular choice for its ability to prevent kidney stones and support detoxification. Then we have magnesium malate, a personal favorite of mine, boasting an impressive 40% absorption rate. And last but not least, we have magnesium threonate, the brain-boosting champion, with an outstanding 75% absorption rate. Drumroll please. The winner, the champion of the magnesium world, is magnesium glycinate. This superstar boasts an incredible absorption rate of up to 80%, meaning your body can actually utilize most of what you're taking. It's also non-laxative and known for its calming effects, promoting relaxation, improving sleep quality, and even helping to manage stress levels. Now, how and when should you take magnesium? For best results, I recommend taking it at night or spreading your doses throughout the day. A maintenance dose of 400 milligrams daily is a good starting point for most people. Remember, magnesium is like the oil that keeps your body's engine running smoothly. So there you have it, guys. We've covered the best and worst forms of magnesium, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your health. Remember, magnesium is the key to unlocking your body's full potential. Check out the video linked in the description for even more insights, research, and tips on optimizing your magnesium intake. Guys, magnesium is seriously underrated. It's involved in so many processes in your body, and most people aren't getting enough. If you're constantly tired, dealing with muscle cramps, or having trouble sleeping, a magnesium deficiency could be the culprit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness advice. Share this video with friends and start your healthy lifestyle journey today.